Hi awesome learners, in this part I am going to create a Flask portfolio website, and in this part I am going to cover all the basics and the intermediate functions of Flask, and we are going to create it is by step. Before going to tutorial, I want to mention that I have a website called smarttutes.com. There you can find any of the source code and the description of any tutorials there. You can go to that website and go to Flask and open tutorials there, and here I am maintaining all the source codes, videos and all the descriptions. Okay, so before going to the tutorials, let me make you understand that what is Flask. I think you have read about Python and you have completed Python. Flask is a microwave framework written in Python. It is classified as a micro framework because it doesn't require particular tool or libraries. It has no database abstraction layer, form validation layer or any other component. We are going to maintain all the components using the third-party libraries provided for common functions. Okay, if you have some knowledge in Django is an inbuilt abstractions layers. Okay, Django have a lots of libraries you can use, but Flask have no any library, no any more libraries. The basic libraries are present. Okay, so why we are going to learn Flask? Because Flask is a lightweight, and for beginners Flask is a best to choose. Okay, if you learn Flask, then you can easily learn Django. Okay, Django will make your work simpler, but Flask will make you learn better. So we are going to first explore Flask. After that we are going to explore Django. Okay, so how you can install Flask? You can directly write command pip install Flask. I am going to open my command prompt. Now let me write pip install Flask. Sorry, I have already installed, so it is going to show me that Flask is already installed. Okay, in your case it will download and install Flask. That's all for this video. Thank you for listening, and we are going to explore more and more in the future video.